Hello everyone, my name is Monica Sidhu and today I am going to discuss a new legal tech startup data information on Safewill app. What is a Safewill app? It is an application of legal technology space whose primary mission is to simplify, expedite and reduce the cost of process of drafting a valid will. We are dedicated to simplifying and streamlining the process of writing a will so that the individual can have the assurance that their final wishes will be carried out after they have passed away. When you are worried about your will and you want to change it on the last minute when you think you are really sick and you can die any minute. So this application will be there to help you to make any change on your phone. You don't need to visit solicitors, you don't need to waste your time traveling from here to there. This application is there to help you. So, and it also allows the person to rest easily knowing that their will and wishes will be carried out. So, what sort of problem we are trying to evaluate from the startup business while providing a solution? So, the problem our startup business is trying to solve is the time and cost associated with creating a legal will. As we all know that creating a legal will is very time consuming. It takes lots and lots of work, and you need to make a many visits to the solicitor, provide tons of documents, and on, you know the process. And it is often lengthy and expensive process with a very limited options for consumer because you can't change it once you make it. If you want to change it, you need to visit the solicitor, and it is not like an easy thing when you are super sick and you feel like you can't make it anymore. So this application will help you during that time. According to a survey conducted by the company, more than half of Australian adults do not have a will. And what is the reason behind it? The primary reason behind of this problem is difficulty in creating a will, then talking to a solicitor, cost of creating this one, and amount time you require to draft a valid will is the issue that we are fledgling business is working to resolve it. And the traditional method of writing a will can be time consuming and also costly. Moreover, it provides the client with very few options, very few. For example, you can't change it once you make it. If you want to change it, you need to visit the solicitor. Apart from that, to simplify the process, writing a will and make it more affordable and time efficient for individual is one of our primary object that we are trying to do that. So how to solve this problem? How to overcome this problem? In order to overcome this problem, our startup provides a simpler, faster, and more affordable way for people to create a legal will. We offer a range of automated tools that make the process of creating a will easier and more efficient. Apart from that, this entails the provision of step-by-step guide. You will get a step-by-step guide, options for personalization of documents. You will get this safe cloud storage for document files where you can store any sort of documents that you feel like is very private. Apart from that, individual can easily create a will without any assistant, and you don't need really any solicitor by using this platform because we have made it very user friendly as possible as we can, and it given it a natural flow of thought what you think and what you want, because our first preference is to make our customer satisfied and make their last wish satisfied in this world. So if I'm talking about why this application provides a better solution than their competitors. What's difference in it? Why? You must be thinking, why only Safewill? There are tons of other applications that we can try. So I'll say why Safewill is the most efficient way to use rather than you going with other. So our competitors are legal wills. I'll say these are the primary competitor and another online will writing service. They are writing of wills for people. While both company offer same like online will writing services, there are some differences in the way they operate. One of the main difference is that Safe will focus exclusively on wills, while the other company only provide a broader range of services such as power of attorney, living wills. Our company provide a simpler and more user-friendly platform that is specifically designed to guide the user through the process of creating a will rather than our competitors who offers only a comprehensive set of tools and options. That's all they provide us. If I'm talking about another key difference in pricing structure, however, the both companies offer affordable solution, but our company has a more straightforward pricing structure with a flat fee for creating a will. Whereas our competitors' pricing plans includes a different level of services. It depends what sort of service you need. They will charge you accordingly. No discount and nothing in there. You need to pay separately for every single service. Another reason is Safe will provide a more streamlined, accessible solution for those who are primarily looking for creating a will, while the other provide a comprehensive set of tools for those who require additional estate planning services. Moreover, our platform also provides a selection of customized templates. When you are creating a will, you are not a solicitor and you don't know how to create a will, what is the professional format. So our platform provides the customized size templates where it helps you to require what you need, what you want, and how you can, fill the all information. And this can also provide you the structure and all other documents information. Apart from that, our platform also provide customer a peace of mind knowing that their personal information is protected and secure on our platform because it adheres to all applicable data privacy laws and is secure environment in which it's stored. Apart from that, now we will talk about what are the regulatory framework our company is going to apply. So our startup must adhere the applicable regulatory framework including consumer protection law, data privacy law pertaining to the formation of will. We have taken a measure to ensure that our platform is compliant with all applicable laws and regulations, such as Individual General Data Protection Regulation and Privacy Act in Australia, where all of our clients' information will be safe and confidential. You can't, breach the confidentiality of any client. Apart from that, if somebody wants to use our client's personal information, they need to get the permission. In order to do that, our client or our user will get a notification straight away when once their information is being used or somebody is trying to use it. And if our client is agree to provide that information, then they can provide a six digital code that is a six digit and it will help other person to access the information. It's all our choice, client's choice if they want to share the information or not. Apart from that, if our client feel like somebody else is using their personal information, or the company itself or the other companies trying to steal the information or trying to mishandle the information, they have the right to make a complaint, or either they can delete or uh, block their account as well. Apart from that, so how regulatory framework can be compliance. So SAFE will ensure compliance with regulatory framework by employing experienced lawyers to create review the will template offered on the platform. The company also conduct a regular review and ensure that its services remain up to date with the latest digital legal requirement. Apart from that, Safewill has partnered with several leading Australian law firms to provide consumer with further legal support if required. And there are many store wills securely and provide instructions to customers how to ensure that their will are legally binding. So we have made some company has itself has made some steps that make these all regulatory framework comply properly. First, we will conduct the research. Safewill will conduct research on legal requirement for creating a valid will in the jurisdictions where their service is offered. They should also research the relevant regulation that apply to online service providers in those jurisdictions. Apart from that, engage legal experts. Safewill should engage legal experts who are familiar with legal requirements and regulations that apply to wills and also online services. These experts can provide guidance on how to ensure compliance with relevant rules and regulations. Moreover, we will develop some policies and procedures for creating wills through their platform that complies with legal requirements and regulations. These policies and procedures should be communicated clearly to the users when they are trying to log in, when they are trying to create their new account. So these policies and procedures need to be clearly communicated to the users. Implement technical safeguards. Safewill should implement technical safeguard to protect the personal information of their user and to ensure the integrity of the will creation process. These safeguards may include encryption, secure storage of data, and verification of user identities. Apart from that, we will monitor compliance. Safewill should monitor their compliance with legal requirement and regulations, including conducting regular audit, review of their policies and procedure. Any issues or potentials compliance risks should be addressed properly. So it's very normal if they keep auditing their policies and procedures. It will help the users to have a friendly policies and procedure, and they can easily save their data and protects the data. Other steps they should take is Safewill can ensure that their service complies with the relevant regulatory framework and meet legal requirement for creating a valid will. This can help to build trust with their users and ensure that their service is a reliable and trustworthy option for the creating a will online. In conclusion, I'll say Safewill, like any other provider of online will creation service, is a subject to regulatory framework that ensure the validity, enforceability, and accuracy of will. The regulatory framework varies depending on the jurisdiction where the will is being created and can be complex and multifaceted. To comply with these regulations, Safewill must conduct thorough research, engage legal experts, develop policy procedure, implement technical safeguard, and monitor compliance. Apart from that, this application not only save your time and your money, it will save your feelings. When you will invest in this application, you will not getting only a will, you are getting your wish to fulfilled. You are spending your quality time and you are making it in less than 20 minutes and in like 200 to $300 in between. It is very cost effective. Apart from that, any minute, anywhere, you can make changes. You can change your profile, you can change your will any minutes. You feel like you are not feeling well, go for it. You can make any changes in that. Hope this Safewill application will not only shine your life, it will also affect your dreams as well. It will also promote your upcoming family members, your family and friends whom you think are they are more closer than the ones you think was more closer. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.